Do you want to know how you can enable the download on Wi-Fi only option on Amazon Prime Video? If yes, then this is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the download on Wi-Fi only option on Amazon Prime. So let's go ahead and start. Open Prime Video on your phone. Now tap on Profile, which you can see on the top right hand side, and go to Settings. Go to Stream and Download, and you can see Download on Wi-Fi only option. If you tap on it, now you can only download the videos on Wi-Fi. It will not be downloaded while you are streaming from your mobile data. So this is how you enable the download on Wi-Fi only option. Let me show it to you once again. Go to your profile, go to Settings, tap on Stream and Downloads, and tap on Download on Wi-Fi only. This way you can enable the download on Wi-Fi only option provided by Amazon Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.